Good evening, guys. My name is Nikhil. Today I'm going to tell you how to write a small paragraph. Right. So this is my board, and this is my small, board. Okay. So I'm just going to tell you how to write a small paragraph. Right. So these are the thing. First of all, for example, this is called the cow. Okay. This is called paragraph writing. And I'm just going to tell you uh, the first sentence is the cow is a four-footed domestic animal. Got it? And the second sentence is it has two ears, two eyes, and two horns. Right? The cows eat green grass. The cow gives us milk. Right? And the milk is rich source of vitamins. We prepare delicious sweets with the help of milk. Right? And we make ghee, curd, butter with the help of milk. The next sentence is that the babies drink cow milk. We use cow dung as fertilizer in the agricultural field. The cows helps us for economic benefit. Dairy industry generates huge employment in the rural economy. Got it? Next sentence is that the cow is treated as God to the Hindus. The cow is a very useful domestic animal. And the last sentence is that we love cows. So basically what I mean is that how to write a paragraph, because in this paragraph I'm going to tell you these are the simple sentences. I'm using present indefinite tense. For example, because I can use the very long sentences, but to form a simple sentence, I'm giving the special emphasis on to form a simple sentence. Got it? And the small sentences, right? So, and it is and one more thing. It is important for the students of class 5 to 10, and for any how to write letters or how to form a sentence. That is very important, right? So the first sentence, the cow is a four-footed domestic animal, right? Is a present tense, simple present tense. Now it has two ears, we know it very well, and then two eyes and two horns. Got it? Plural number, then is, and I am using has, right? Third person singular number. Then the cows eat. Okay? The cows eat. It is plural number, that is why eat. If the cow eats, you can say. But as it is a plural number, that is why we are not using S or ES. Sorry. So the cows eat green grass, you know it very well. Then the cow gives, not give. Why? Because I am here using the cow, singular number. Okay? Then we have to add S or ES after the main verb, gives. Got it? Then the milk is rich source of vitamins. I think that we have different types of vitamins like A, B, C, D, we know it very well. So there is a biological part, I do not pay attention on that. Okay. Now the next sentence is that we prepare delicious sweets. Right? Prepare is first person. We is the first person. So prepare is the present form of the verb. Got it? Delicious sweets with the help of milk. Got it? And the next sentence, we make, not makes. We make, because we is the first person. Got it? Make ghee, curd, butter with the help of milk. There are different types of sweets. I think you know it very well. And the next sentence is that the babies drink. Not if you write the baby drinks, or you can say the babies drink. Plural number. That is why I am not using S or ES. Got it? And the next sentence is that the we use cow dung as fertilizer. Got it? In the agricultural field. We are also using different types of fertilizers like urea, potash, NKP, or there are different types of fertilizers. But here I am using a single topic. I am giving you simple one, not any particular fertilizer, but I am using a simply general perspective. Got it? Fertilizer in the agricultural field. Got it? Next sentence is that the cow helps us for economic benefit. Why? Because the milk, if we sell the milk to the to any kinds of vendors, we can earn money, right? if we produce the cow dung, okay, it is also economically more benefit, because if we sell this cow dung, we are using that cow dung in the agricultural field, so it will give a economic benefit. Got it? And the next sentence, dairy industry. I mean, the milk-based industry in India, like, you know, Amul, Mother Dairy. So these are the renowned brands of dairy industry. Got it? It generates huge employment, obviously, in the rural economy. You can say like urban or rural, it doesn't mean, but as we're collecting the milk from the rural, so I'm using the rural economy. You can write down also urban economy, that doesn't matter, okay? Next sentence, the cow is treated as God to the Hindus. Very important sentence, got it? Because I mean, particularly in Indian perspective, we are treating the cow as our God, right? So, religious for reasons, okay. So, the cow is treated as God. I already mentioned that. The cow is a very useful domestic animal. I already repeat that sentence. And next, we love cows. So in that sentence, I am using simple independent tense in present form. So this is the paragraph. I'm using longer sentences, but to understand you, to form a sentence, I'm using these simple sentences. Right? Hope you like my paragraph. My name is Nikhil. If you like that video, please like and subscribe my channel and support me. And if you have any queries, if you don't understand any kinds of grammatical mistakes, please forgive me and support me. And I need your valuable suggestions so that I can improve my quality. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.